Hello guys, I am Jitendra Kumar Sharma from LatCMS Private Limited, and today I am going to describe you about the other scenario of the binary MLM plan that is based on the EPIN system. So in the previous video, basically we have created for the user one the two types of the payouts like the from the left pairs basically for the left to right or right to left. Okay, so that is called the two is to one or one is to two. So I will now explain about the other scenario of the binary MLM plan. But before that one, I will explain you about the initial pair and the further pair. So today this is the genealogy in the previous things. Okay, so by that one we are getting like two types of these pair commissions. Okay, and uh, in the left side and in the right side we have already added the user 8 and user 9 users there. Okay, so if we will check here in the admin section, just a minute, user 1, yes. So this already like the payout, payer commissions 300 is getting there. So on the basis of that, like that, this one scenario I have created already. The user one, that is the main or root user of the network, having the two types of the pairs, like the 2 is to 1 and 1 is to 2. So now the further pairs for the every users after the two users that is have been described here, the two initial pairs. So it's mean that if any one user has got the two pairs from the 1 is to 2 or 2 is to 1, then the other pairs will be considered onward from the 2, 1 is to 1, according to the setting. So that I want to detail you about this one. So as you will see in the user reports, basically, here, if we will go here exactly, so this is the payer commission. In the payer commission, user 3, user 2, user 4 is considering for the first payer because the 2 is to 1 or 1 is to 1, according to that one, the three members need it for the payer commission. As same things is happening for the second payer commission. Okay. Now, for the further pair, basically after the two pairs getting onward, the third pair, fourth pair, fifth pair will be considered as a 1 is to 1. So here the 8 and 9 by the user 8 and 9, the 300 INR amount is getting as a pair commissions to the user 1. So like this one, I want to describe this to you. Now I am taking the other scenario for this one, user 2. As the user 2, so I am putting the user 10 to the right side of the user 6 and user 11 and user 12 to the left side and right side of the uh, user 7. So just let me put 10, 11 and 12. So here is the EPINS report basically, and I am just having this one, this user 10. I am just going here to register user 10, user 10 at the rate test.com, user 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this one, this one, this one, this. Okay. So user 2 as a sponsor, I have the EPIN that I have already copied from there, and according to that one, user 2, and this will go to the user 6. So automatically this will be selected as a right section or right positions here. So this has been registered now. Just a minute. Now I am just logging out this one, and here user11 at the rate test.com user. I am putting here the numeric value. User 2 is the sponsor, and the EPIN I should have from this one, and coming here and putting here the user 7 as a parent, and I am selecting the left side of this one. So now this is being the registration part. Okay, so just a moment. Yeah, great. This has been registered. Now I am coming to the another. So I registered as a user 11 previously. Yeah, now I am creating the user 12. Test.com user 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I am having this number only on. So user 2, I need to have the EPIN again from here, and need to put here, and user 7 I am selecting here. So automatically the right sections or right positions will be selected, because I have selected already the left positions under the user 7 for the user 11. So just I click here, and this is going to be registered. Now if I will check here for the distribute commissions, so definitely the user 1 is getting this one 900, like the 3 label commission, and the user 2 is getting this one. So what I am doing here, I am just putting the other sections, but before this one I am just describing this one, the user 11, user 12 and user 10. User 2 is getting by this one. So here if I will check in the genealogy part, basically under the user 2, user 10 right side section, and user 11 and user, this is in the left side of this, and this is user 10, user 11 and user 12 is the right side. So this is the right side and this is the right side. So by that one, the peer commission is getting to the user 2. As same things, I am just according to this one genealogy, because the user 3, under the user 3, I am just putting this one as a user 9 is on the right position. So under the user 4, I am putting a one member that is the direct referral of the user 3. So just let me do user 13. So I am just logging out this one, this user 13 at the rate test.com user 13 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 user 3. I need to have the pin from here, just a minute. So I am having the pin user 4. I am selecting here the user 4. Sorry, I am selecting from the something wrong. Okay, yeah. So this is in the user 9 in the right side. So this will go in the left side automatically. So I just register here, and now I will add the two other users that will be the user under the user 5. Okay, as a parent. So this is the user 13. I will put user 14 and user 15 more. So user 14 at the rate test.com user 14 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 user 3, and I need to have the EPIN from here, user 5 From there, I will select the one left. Same things needs to do for the other users. So just wait a minute. This has been registration completed. So now user 15, I am registering here. User 15 test.com. User 15 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. User 3 and this and user 5. So automatically right section will be selected or right positions will be selected here. If I will come here, then surely I am getting this one, user 3. So 1000, 1000 and the 18,000 because from the user 10, so I need to describe here that what is going on. Okay, so just a moment. Hello. Yeah. So this is the basically if we will check the genealogy here. The genealogy part is saying that one, according to the label commissions, basically as user 2 or user 3, you know that they are getting the pair commissions and they are also getting the label commissions as well. So for the label commissions, what they are getting, first of all, I need to describe about the user 2 and user 3, that is getting the pair commissions. So user 2 and user 1, according to this one, left 1 is to 1 or 1 is to 2 and 2 is to 1 because these does not have any pair still. So and they have not completed the initial pair. So that's why reason they are getting the 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2 or 2 is to 1 ratio. So they are getting the 200, 200 now. User 2 is getting the referral commission as 100 from the user 10, from the user 11, for the user 12. So let me see the genealogy. User 2 and user 10, user 11 and user 12. Because the user 1, user 10, user 11 and user 12 are the direct referral of the user 2. So these will be considered on the first level for the user 2 based on the direct referral. Okay. So that's why reason the user 2 is getting the 3 times the referral commissions from the user 10, user 11 and user 12. Same thing is happening for the user 3. So direct referral commissions is getting, level commissions, first level commission is getting from the uh, 15, user 15, user 13 and user 14 because those are the first level for the user 3 due to reason of the direct referral. So as I am seeing here, or this one user 13 for the user 3. Okay, this is the referral commission. Now I am considering the label commission. Sorry, that is the referral commission is the different. So I described previously something about the label commission. So label commission is the this one by the user 11 and user 12, user 14 and user 15, because the label commissions get when you have the at least the one direct referral in your downlines, because user 2 and user 3, whenever they are user 2 is adding or the user 10 is adding under the user 2, at the time the user 2 does not have any direct referral person. So that's why reason user by the user 2, the no label commission is going to the user 2. As the user 11 register under the user 2, at the time user 2 have the at least the one direct referral commissions that we have do the settings in this part for the payout. Sorry, not for the payout, for the label. Sorry, eligibility, the direct paid referral. So by that one, the user 2 and user 3 is not getting the level commission, first level commission from the user 10 and user 13 respectively. And the bonus commission is getting to the user 2 and user 3 based on the direct referral commissions, because the three direct referral commissions has been under the user 2 and the user 3, so that's why reason they are both getting the bonus commissions. Now I am coming on the user 1, that is getting the label commissions from the user 10, user 11, user 13, user 14, user 15 as a second level commission. So let me see by the genealogy. The user 10, user 11, user 12 are direct referral of the user 2, but the user 2 is the direct referral of the user 1. So that's why reason the user 1 is getting the second level commission from these user 10, user 11 and user 12. Same thing is happening for the user 1 with the user 13, user 14 and user 15. If you will check here by name here, so the user 13, user 14, user 15, by these users, user 1 are also getting the label commission. So now I am running this one commission. I am running the payout. So just waiting for the running the successfully the payout. I am waiting for the response. Yes, this has been successfully registered. It's been that payout has been run successfully. So this is about the how the system works, but I will come for the other videos in the some more uh, scenarios for this one, and I will explain some more detail about this one. But if you need the more information about the binary MLM plan, you need to subscribe our channel. That is the Let's CMS Private Limited channel. Okay, and you will get the notifications in that case. So thank you guys, and have a good day. And I will come with some more videos. So thank you for this one.